Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your HUAWEI FreeArc. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And if it doesn't, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and after that, close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone and at the device list we can see it. After that, just open it and it will reconnect to your phone. Sometimes you don't want to reconnect automatically, this time I have it, but sometimes it happens that I don't want to, so just click on it at the device list and you will reconnect it manually. Next, if it didn't help you also, we should remove and add these earbuds. So, click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android, and after that press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing white. Here we go. Now tap on it at the device list and again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and after that press and hold this connection button until this LED light starts flashing red. Here we go. Now you can release your finger. And firstly, we should remove it from the device list. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click Pair New Device on Android. And after hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!